The Daily Code Snippet. This week we looked at how to use the video element. Similar to the image element, you use the source attribute to indicate the name of the video file to be loaded and its location. In the case of a browser not supporting your video format, we add paragraph text to our element that will display a warning to our visitor. This text can include instructions to the user so they can access the video at another location. Here is an example of the basic code. We then went over the many attributes that can be added to the base code that adjust the display of the video. We add the controls attribute to add video and audio control for users, which is critical for those with seizures. Although we can adjust the width and height of our videos, this is still best done with the CSS. The video, however, will maintain its aspect ratio. The autoplay attribute will automatically play the video while loading, and the loop attribute will restart the video after it finishes. Both options are considered annoying to users and should be used with good reason. The muted attribute will allow the video to be played with the sound off. Poster allows you to add a splash screen. The preload attribute helps buffer large files. It can be set to none, auto, or metadata. To use these attributes, we simply add them to the opening tag as shown in this example. With this code, we add controls with a custom poster image. The video will play initially with sound off, but with the controls, the user can turn the sound back on. Next week, we will discuss what video formats are generally acceptable to modern browsers and how we can use the source element with the video element to give the browser multiple video format options to maximize cross-browser compatibility. Presented by Designers Learn Code.